Good morning, guys. Please check your audio and video settings. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about various permutations and combinations with respect to what? One-to-many association. Today we will try to discuss cascading attribute is there, na? Yeah, various possible values for cascading attribute and what are the other options we are having. Then we will discuss other possibilities. Let me save this document, class content, Hibernate 914. Tenth. Yes. Okay, guys. Today we'll try to understand cascade. Cascade operations in association. Cascade operations in association. Fine. Fine, boss. Yeah. What is cascading, boss? Cascade operation is all about reflecting the modifications done on parent objects to the associated child objects. Are you getting my point there? Okay. Cascading is all about propagating the non-select operation. Okay, boss. The non-select operation. Cascading is all about propagating or passing the non-select persistence operations performed on the parent or main objects to child or associated objects. So associated objects. Okay. Cascading is nowhere related to. Okay. Loading of objects. Yes, guys. Loading of objects. Right, guys. In set map list and etc. tags of, yeah, etc. tags of one too many or one too many or many too many association. One too many or many too many. In these two associations only we need these tags, boss. Are you getting my point? Why, sir? Are only one too many and many too many only needs collection properties. While configuring those collection properties only these tags are required. Are you understanding? Okay. One too many association mapping is having cascade attribute supporting the possible values. Simply supporting the possible values. Shall we start analyze that? Yes. Cascade is equal to all. What's the meaning of cascade is equal to all here? Any non-select, any non, okay, propagates, no, all non-select persistence, propagates all non-select persistence operations to associated objects. That is cascade is equal to all. Cascade is equal to save hyphen update propagates propagates insert comma update persistence operations to associated object. What's the meaning of that? If you perform save operation or update operation on main object, they will be propagated to associated objects. Next, cascade delete propagates delete persistence operation. Delete persistence operations to associated objects. Cascade persist only propagates insert persistence operation to associated object. Nice. Cascade merge. Array, when you call merge method on main object, okay, associated child objects also will participate in merge operation. Merge propagates merge persistence operation to associated object. Cascade delete hyphen orphan okay, cascades are propagates delete persistence operation to associated objects, but also destroys the associated objects. But also destroys the associated object. All hyphen delete hyphen orphan propagates all non-select persistence operations. Non-select persistence operations to the associated objects, but also destroys the also destroys the orphan records here. Actually, mistake is mine. Orphan records also destroys the orphan records, but also destroys the orphan records. Fine, guys. Next, cascade is equal to none. Okay, it's a default value here. If no value is given, default value is this. Okay, yeah. Does not propagate. Does not propagate any non-select persistence operation. Any non-select persistence operation. Operation to associated objects. Any non-select persistence operation to associated object. Everyone got the clarity, guys? This is the whole story. Yes, guys. Okay. So these are the things. Now listen. We can give multiple values to cascade attribute as comma separated list of values. What here? Comma separated list of values. Like cascade is equal to all. All means everything, na? Fine. Persist comma delete. Like this you can give, boss. You can give multiple values as comma separated list of values, boss. This is possible. Like this we can happily give, boss. What is the best value, boss? This is the best value. All hyphen delete hyphen orphan is the best value. So most of the time I prefer working with this. This is the best value. This is the default value. So shall we start feeling some practicals, if not everything, at least some practicals? Okay, already we have seen, all hyphen delete hyphen come to this one. userinfo.hbm.xml. That's it. So here we are having, I'm taking save hyphen update. Save hyphen update. Save hyphen update. So go to client application, guys. I comment this, guys. Here save operation is there. DAO dot save data using parent. Click on it. Save data using parent. Yeah, already 2 records are there. Yeah, objects are saved. It is saying refresh. What is our table, was user info only, na? phone number, user underscore info, right? I got it. User underscore info. So some more two records are inserted or not there. So that means what? Say, okay, not only it is inserting record on parent object, it's supposed to insert the records in associated child object. Phone numbers, guys. Phone number. Yes, refresh. See, associated child records also inserted, guys. So if you look at phone number, so two phone numbers have come and associated child objects also inserted in what? Child table. Okay. Right now, how many seven phone numbers are there? Okay, now you run the program. Yeah, maybe data is same here. I'm not changing data. Okay, see this. One record will insert in parent table. Two records are going to come in child table, 8 and 9. Sixth, coming or not coming? Sir, insertion order is not preserved by default, guys. In any table, insertion order is not preserved. Okay. That is save or update. Now, what is this? I'll come to this. Update I am not doing, only save you feel it. Because I am not writing any update code in my application. Na? Persist. What is next? Persist. Persist I have taken. One too many test. Save data using parent. How many 9 records are there? 9 records are there. Okay, one too many test. But in the application, we used save method. See this? Transient object exception. Object references are unsaved. Sir, persist should work na, sir. Persist should work. Listen. If you use persist method, when you use cascade is equal to persist, make sure that here also we are using persist method only. Make sure that here also you are using persist method. Make sure that here we are not using save method, we are using persist method. Session dot persist user. Yes, guys. One too many test. Now you observe. Yeah, I think with yeah, one problem is there with persist method, guys. Saved here. One problem is there. Persist method cannot generate the things through generators, right? 85, 86. 85, 86 here came, but you look at user phone, user underscore phone, persist method. How come here? Persist method does not support generators, na? Yeah, let it be. That's not a major constraint. So 7 has come here. Are you getting my point 8? But what is the method I am forced to use? What is the method I am forced to use? Persist I am forced to use. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, boss. I comment this. Okay, I keep this one as it is. Here I will go for save hyphen update. Instead of persist, I will take save hyphen update. One too many test. It is inserting, boss. Now you come here. 8th record has come. You go to phone number. You go to phone number. Here another 2 records have come. Did you notice it, guys? Another 2 records are coming. Another 2 records are coming. Are save method. Okay. So that means definitely even though you are using persist method, internally it is taken as save method only. Otherwise, how generators will work, ra Babu? Generators are working means what? Definitely it is internally taking them as what? Okay, save method only. Internally it is taking them as what? Save method. Otherwise, generators will not work now, guys. Okay, see your sequence is working. In single row, we noticed that point. Okay, fine. Yes, guys. Hmm. Yes, guys. So let's concentrate on it. Okay. What is the observation we have noticed, guys? The observation that we noticed is cascade is equal to save hyphen update. Okay. Save allows to use session dot save or session dot persist method to perform save operation, to perform save object operation. Whereas cascade is equal to persist. What is this? Cascade is equal to persist. Allows us to use only session dot persist. Okay, session dot persist method. Otherwise, cascading will not happen, boss. Cascading will not happen. You noticed that one nicely. You seriously noticed that one. Okay, right. What is the statement? This is the statement. Okay, fine. What is the next one? Let's take just delete, guys. Just delete. So go to user.hbm.xml, guys. Okay, delete. User.hbm.xml delete I have taken. Okay, boss. Now come to this. Try to perform delete operation. What is the delete? Delete one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent. Come to that method. Okay, F3. How to go to its code here? How to go to its code? F3 not going. Fine. Okay, we will try to go to that line, guys. Transfer child, delete all childs, delete all parents. Where is that method, boss? Where is that method? Yeah, this one. Okay, right now second user is there. Second user is there. Yes, there. User ID second is there. Okay, boss. We got set collection. Fine. Phone number 73 phone number is there. 73 phone number is there. Okay, no need of searching here. We have pinned it. Okay. 73 not there. We will try to delete. Second user is having 75 phone number. We will try to give 75. We'll try to give 75. Yes. Now you run the application, guys. Yeah, what it will do? It will try to delete the record, but in that process, it makes the record as orphan record, boss. It makes the record as orphan record. It is not completely deleting record. It is simply making the record as orphan record. Did you notice that, guys? Okay. Now again I am writing 2 here. Say refresh. Okay. I'm writing 2 here. Say refresh. Okay. Now you observe this. Now observe this. I don't use delete here. This time I will try to use delete hyphen orphan. Delete hyphen orphan. One too many test. One too many test. Fine. Refresh. See, this time second record is deleted. Second record is deleted. Understanding? It is not making orphan. It is also in that process, any orphan record come, that also will be deleted. So there is no 75 now. Did you notice that? Yeah, listen. After opening table, if you click on this pin button, so when you open another table, tab will remain as it is. Suppose I open sal grade. Suppose I after that I open this. What happened? Sal grade is missing, spring underscore customer is coming. Suppose I kept the pin button. Now I open sal grade. It come in a new tab. So pin means like a staple kind of thing here. So if you want to freeze the content, you want to see the content permanently as a tab, then you have to go for pin button. Okay. So user info phone underscore number. Okay. Fine. I think you understood the difference between delete and delete orphan. Delete and delete by orphan. Okay. Yeah, best is all delete orphan. I'm trying to explain remaining things, Ra Babu. No doubt, best is that one only. Remaining all are unnecessary. Best is all delete orphan. Cascade is equal to delete. 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 Makes session dot delete method makes session dot delete method not to delete associated records completely. Rather, it makes associated oblique child records as orphan records by orphan records by emptying the FK column. Okay. To avoid this use, cascade is equal to all delete orphan. To avoid this use, cascade is equal to all delete orphan. Or cascade is equal to delete orphan. Delete orphan. Or work with what? Cascade is equal to delete orphan. Are you understanding my point there? Not to delete associated records completely. Rather, it makes associated child records as what? Orphan records. Fine here. What are the other values left? I think remaining things we discussed. Discussed. Merge I cannot demonstrate now. Persist discussed. Delete discussed. Save hyphen update discussed. All we discussed already. Okay, na? So merge we don't have setup right now. So if you do merge operation on main objects, the merge also propagates to associated child records. Okay, default value is none, boss. If no value is given, default value none. These many things I just talked for interview sake, knowledge sake. Okay, the most important thing is all hyphen delete hyphen orphan. For lazy attribute, the best value is extra value. For cascade attribute, best value is what? All hyphen delete hyphen orphan. Okay, guys, let it be. Taking collection property as java.util.list, taking collection property as java.util.list in one-to-many association mapping. Taking collection property as java.util.list in one-to-many association mapping. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Sir, why should I take? I'm happy with set, na? I'm happy with set. Listen, boss. List collection will have a index, right? So that in the child table, listen carefully, in the child table, not only I can store, these are the childs of so and so parent, and we can give index to those childs here. This is the first child of parent, second child of parent, third child of parent. I can give those indexes, boss. Are you getting my point there or not there? Since set collection does not maintain, okay, set collection does not maintain indexes for elements. We cannot store, we cannot maintain child record indexes for parent records. Oh, yeah, fine, leave it. We cannot maintain child record indexes with respect to parent record. With respect to parent records. Understanding my point? Okay. So to solve this problem, use the collection property as list collection. Collection property as list collection property. List collection property. Sure, sir. Yes. Okay. First, I'll show practicals, then you will get the idea. One-to-many unidirectional. One-to-many unidirectional. I think it is there in Mivena Gradle. Mivena Gradle. It's in Mivena Gradle, boss. Mivena, fine. 69. One-to-many uni list collection. So special property, I want to take it as list collection. Don't worry, I will give sample code to practicals. Don't worry about it. Yeah, if it is Maven, just copy paste. No need of changing anything in pom.xml. In morning 7 a.m., someone asked me this question. So when you copy paste Gradle project, you have to modify in settings.xml file. Nah. When you copy paste Maven project, What should I do? Okay, I have not given straight answer. I said, do practicals every day, observe me carefully, you will be knowing it. You will be knowing it. So it's lack of concentration, lack of practicals. Okay, na? Fine. Right. In me when copy paste, no need of doing any changes anywhere. Right, guys? Come here. Entity user info dot Java. User info dot Java. In this user info, no errors now. Okay. No need of touching. No need of touching phone number. Phone number class. Phone number class is regular class. Okay, fine. Now, listen carefully. Go to DAO. I don't want to maintain these many methods. These many methods will confuse me. I'm removing them. Okay. Go to DAOIMPL. First, I will keep only save method, nothing else. Remaining methods I'm deleting, boss. Opera. Remaining methods I'm deleting. Yes. Where is giving error? Yeah, I will tell. That's still there as a set collection based code. I have to make it as list collection based code. Here, what is this? List phone number, phones list dot off, earphones list, phones list. Okay, fine. Yes, guys. Now you come to mapping files, user info underscore list. I'm changing my table names, boss. Okay, boss. Right, user ID increment, remaining all are fine. I'm changing list. But since it is list, I have to configure with which tag? List tag. When you configure property with list tag, come on. Index column configuration is compulsory. Otherwise, error is coming. Check it out. It is saying that, list tag only I am configuring, Arun Kumar. In your, before you complete typing, I have used list tag. That's why stop typing parallelly, concentrate. Look at his question. Sorry, you have to configure list tag. Na, you are typing and I started using. That's why when you get a doubt for any doubt, keep 5 minutes in your brain. Okay. But list tag says index column configuration is compulsory. Okay, boss. Index compulsory. You have to configure index tab. Index, list index or normal index, list index it seems. Yeah, list index, base value. You want to see base value 0 or 1? Array, first phone number, second sound. 0 phone number sounds good. No. Column is equal to, okay, list underscore INDX. Not interested. Okay, I will give phone index. Phone underscore INDX. Phone underscore INDX. Array phone index ra babu. Some name I have taken. Some name I have taken. What is this base one? Array index counting should start from 1. Must start from 1. Must start from 1. That's the meaning of it. Okay, I want to ask one question. First user 2 phone numbers, second user 3 phone numbers. Tell me indexes of these phone numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are 1, 2 for first user, 1, 2, 3 for second user. Tell me indexes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 1, 2, comma 1, 2, 3. These indexes will change with respect to each parent, or these indexes are common for all the phone numbers. Those indexes are given to child record with respect to each parent. Each parent. Are you understanding my point? Don't keep surprising face. We have already worked with this list tag in the previous examples also. That time we worked with the list with primitives. This time I am taking list with child objects. So base default base value is what? 0. And list column configuration is mandatory. Okay. Go to phone number, boss. Go to phone number. Okay. Not class. HBM file. Here also I want to take phone number underscore list. Remaining things I am keeping as it is. Remaining things I am keeping as it is, guys. Right. Fine. Okay. Now you go to client application. These many are not there. Only one method is there. Remaining methods, you remove it. DAO.save data using parent. Save data using parent. Everyone got the clarity, guys? All right. Okay, what happens? Index column is generated dynamically, maintaining indexes of child with respect to the parent. One too many test, guys. Run on Java application, guys. Why error? Because cascade is not taken properly. Cascade is not taken properly. Cascade is equal to all is good for this requirement. Our save or update is also good, but I will take all hyphen delete hyphen orphan. This is the best value now, boss. Let me take the best value. DAO IMPL. You can use persist method or save method, not a issue. Okay, I'm taking save method. One too many test, guys. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, now you observe, refresh. Refresh. User underscore info underscore list, guys. Data. What is this? One Suresh Hyderabad. Are you able to see now? Yeah, stupid in application. Here is my downloads window. Downloads. Zoom. Why Zoom is going off all of a sudden? Zoom. Zoom. Zoom IT. Okay, I will install as administrator. Run as administrator. Okay, no yena. Show tray I can run Zoom when Windows starts. Yeah, live Zoom, control 4, draw control 2, type control. Yes. I don't know, yeah, 64A, why they have given 64A. Yes, now you observe. Yeah. We got it now, boss. Yes. Yeah, we are getting this one. Now let's have a look on phone number. Have a look on phone number. Phone number underscore list. Okay. Yeah, see this index column is extra, guys. Did you notice it? First phone number of user one, for second phone number of you. Why one and two? It's because why one and two? Because I have taken base value as one. I requested indexing should start from one. That's why we got like this. That's why we got like this. Fine. Let's go for user underscore info. Let me pin this one. Everyone got the clarity, guys. Everyone understanding my statement. So here data. Array, this is old one, not this one, not this one. Let me pin this data. This is very important. Index column is extra. So one more time you perform save operation. One more time you perform save operation. Second user will come, no doubt. Second user will come. Refresh. Second user. Second user. See this again 1, 2. Second user first phone number. Second user second phone number. What is extra? Index column and mandatory. It's compulsory to configure my index column. Right. Java.util. List type property. Property must be configured using list tag having the configuration of index column. Otherwise, having the index column. Okay, index column is mandatory. Yeah, this index column base default base value is 0 and it can be changed to any other numeric value. Okay, generally we take 1. Yes, guys. User info.java, guys. I changed property to this. No need of all this stuff. Copy this. What is the class name? User info.java. What is the class name? Parent class. Yes, guys. Parent class. Say paste. Parent class. Here is my bold one. Right. Next one, phone number dot java. What class, guys? Child class. What class? Child class. Phone number dot java. Say paste. Okay, nice. User info dot HBM dot XML. User info dot HBM dot XML. userinfo.hbm.xml. Done here. Here is my list tag. Here is my story of list tag. Index column configuration. What here? Index column configuration. Please remember this. This is mandatory. Index column is mandatory. If you don't configure, you will get error. Nice, guys. Next, what is this? Phone number dot hbm dot xml. Phone number dot hbm dot xml. Copy this, paste it. Phone number dot hbm dot xml. Right. Here normal, boss. Yes. Okay. Client application I need not to give, guys. Okay. You are intelligent enough. Okay. Go to this one, this part. User underscore list, guys. How to write this one? Parent DB table, guys. Okay. Parent DB table. Yes, this is a child DB table. Child DB table. Okay, guys. Here, index column. This is index column. Index column. If I don't give base value here, it will be 0, 1, 0, 1. Since I have given base value as 1, it has come as 1 and 1. It has come as 1 and 1. Everyone got it? Okay. So that means there is a possibility of maintaining. There is a possibility of maintaining what? Indexes for childs belonging to a parent. These indexes are common for all childs or specific to each parent. These indexes are common for all childs or specific to each parent. Come on. Yes. There's one more advantage, guys. Okay, while working with the set collection, observe, I want to delete one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent. I am forced to load that child object from database or not. Come on, come on. While working with the set collection, while deleting one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent, I am forced to load the child object from database in order to pass to remove method as a argument. But while working with the list collection, that is not required. Why, sir? Array, we can delete the child based on the index, na? Based on the index, we can delete it or not there. Okay. So now let's see what is my requirement here. Go to DAO, public void, delete one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent. Delete one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent. Fine, boss. Go to DAO IMPL method. Good, dear. Okay. Go to DAO IMPL method. Okay. Copy this, paste it. This preparation of objects not required. Try this transaction story is required, guys. Transaction story is required, and this end of the try catch block story finally block also required. Yes, guys, here we should write the remaining code. What is this? Load parent object. Load parent object. Tell me, according to database what we have, what are the parent objects we got, guys? What are the parent object we got, guys? Okay, 1 and 2 is there. Let's take 2. Let's take 2. User info, user session dot get user info dot class. You have to pass 2. Okay. Get all childs of a parent. Childs of a parent. Array, now all childs are there as list collection, set collection. Childs are there as list collection, set collection. List. So that's why list phone number. Okay, childs is equal to user dot get phones. User dot get phones. Now we can access elements of list collection through indexes. Come on. Through indexes. Through indexes. Now, if I want to delete any specific child of multiple childs, I can delete through index or not there. Okay. Delete specific child. Specific child element through index. Delete specific child element through index from the list collection. From the list collection. Tell me. Childs dot remove. We can pass index. No need of loading object. Yesterday, what we have done, before passing to remove object, I have loaded that child object from database. Here that need is there or not there. Okay, now listen. For appearance 1 and 2, but internally it is 0 and 1 only. In the table for appearance only 1 and 2. Please remember, for appearance only 1 and 2, but internally it is 0 and 1. In the real Java list collection, it is a 0 based index. In the table for appearance, it is this. Childs of remove 0. One child from collection of childs is deleted. One child from collection of childs is deleted. One child from collection of childs not deleted. Collection of childs not deleted. So here what is this? Flag is equal to true. What is equal to true? Yeah, flag is equal to true. Are you getting my point there? Come on. Understanding my statement here. Understanding my statement here. Come on, guys. Flag is equal to true. One to many test. Right click. Run on Java application. Okay, boss. Listen, parent to child objects are saved. Oh, again, I didn't invoke the method. Fine, no problem. I comment this. DAO dot delete one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent. One too many test, guys. One too many test, guys. Right? Come here. Refresh, guys. Second user is having only one phone number. One is removed. Second user is having only one phone number. Did you notice it? Actually, it become orphan record, but we said all hyphen delete hyphen orphan na, those orphan records also deleted, guys. So that is not the point. Yesterday we experienced it here. The point here is, are we deleting through object, or are we deleting through index? Is there any need of loading the child object? Okay, listen. Go to the previous example of set collection. Go to the previous example of set collection. Go to the same method. Go to the same method. Where is this? Go to the same method. Here we are also loading child object. Did you notice it? Then we are passing to remove method. Such headache is there while working with so list collection? No. Okay, that is what I'm trying to present. I hope you understood the major difference, guys. I think you thoroughly enjoyed the major difference. Come on, guys. Everyone. Yes. Okay. Now listen. While working with set collection based special property, we must load child object from database. Okay. We must load child object from database. Child object from database. Okay. While for deleting that child object from collection of childs belonging to a parent. From collection of childs belonging to a parent. From collection of childs belonging to a parent. Okay, because set collection does not allow to work with indexes for the elements. Indexes for the elements. Does not allow to work with indexes, for the elements. Are you understanding my point there? Right. Okay. But if the special property is, if the special property is list collection, we can access and delete elements through index. So there is no need of loading child object. Code with list collection. Code with list collection. Say paste. Code with list collection, guys. Code with set collection. Here is what set. Okay. Load child object. Phone number ph is equal to session dot get phone number dot class 75. Yes. Here what should I put? Childs dot remove ph. You must load it. You must load it. Yeah, this is extra or not? Observe this one carefully. This is extra. This is extra. We must load it. And this is avoided while working with list collection. We are able to delete record through indexes, where you have to pass object and you have to go for it. Here one extra round trip with the database. Here that extra round trip is avoided. Did you notice it, guys? These are the two major differences, boss. One is index column configuration is mandatory, so that we can maintain indexes of childs with respect to a parent. Next one. While deleting one child from collection of childs belonging to a parent, there is no need of loading the child object from database. We can load and delete. Okay, we can delete the child object from list collection through index. Enjoyed my point? Okay, boss. Now listen. I would like to enjoy all the benefits of list collection. I would like to enjoy all the benefits of list collection, but I am not interested to maintain index column. I want to enjoy all benefits of list collection for special property, but I don't want to work with what? Index column. I don't want to have a pressure of taking index column. Then what should I do? Very simple. Already we discussed in the previous example. Take collection type as list only. Property type as list collection only. But don't configure using list tag. Configure using bag tag. Configure by using what? Bag tag. Let's see. So that time there is no pressure of what? Configuring bag tag. Sorry, index column. No one says anything to work with index column. 70 list collection with bag. Bag. List collection with what tag here? Bag tag. Everything same. Properties also same, guys. DAO same. Nothing changes. In the mapping file, bag there. Index column is not required. See, when I remove index column in the list, error. Instead of that, bag tag. When I configure same thing, bag tag. Tell me, is there any need of index column configuration, guys? Come on. Is there any need of index column configuration, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Fine, boss. Phone number dot HBM. Here also I'm going to take back. Here also. I can enjoy all other benefits that are there with the bag, boss. Listed. Only that the index column is optional. No need of any kind of index column. Yeah, this is also done. This is all. No need of touching DAO code. No need of touching entity class code. Only tag you have to configure so that you won't be having any pressure of configuring index column. If you want to configure also, bag tag won't take. So bag is nothing but list here. But when you configure list collection with the bag tag, index column configuration becomes optional. Okay, no, it will not take care. It never expects. It never worries about configuring index column. Okay, now you observe. I think anyhow two fresh tables will be created, guys. First I will go for it. First I will go for it. One too many test. Okay, no doubt two new tables will be created. Yeah, see, it is not at all worrying about index column. Check it out. No index column, nothing. Phone type, registration number. Phone type, registration number. No need of worrying about index column. Check it out. Refresh. User info bag data. One Suresh Hyderabad. That's not an issue. User info bag. Pin it. User info bag. Pin it. Phone number bag. Pin it. Is there any index column, guys? Is there any index column here, guys? There is no index column. Did we configure index column, guys? No. So that means you want to enjoy all the benefits of list collection, but you don't want to work with index column. Then go for it. Then go for it. Right. Now you observe, but we can enjoy other benefits. We can load and delete the object. Everything we can do, guys. Come on. Suppose I want to delete one child from collection of childs. You call this method. You call this method, but make sure that you are giving correct number, correct registration number, 95. 95. Go to DAO IMPL. Hmm. Yeah. Who said who cannot delete? Array, in the Java level index will be there. Table level indexes will not reflect. Table level indexes column not required. No need of Java level indexes will be there. Check it out. I loaded parent. I got all the childs and I am removing first child. Java level indexes will be there. How we can change Java behavior? Still, I'm able to delete 0th record. Check it out. Null pointer exception. Where is null pointer exception? 21. 21 null pointer exception. Why so? I created object now, guys. Say refresh. Still nothing is deleted. What is this? One too many test. Okay. Second user is not there. I to agree that. What is the user? One. User is one. User is one. One too many test. Yes, got deleted. I'm still able to enjoy list collection facilities. I'm fully able to enjoy list collection facilities. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay, one more improvisation I want to do, guys. I will tell what is that. For the timing, let me delete this table. I want to have a fresh table for that. Okay. You user underscore bag. Table got dropped. Sir, again I said Java level indexing is 0 only. Okay. Now listen. Today in phone number class, guys, in phone number, I want to take property for foreign key column. Private int UNID. I'm wantedly taking property for foreign key column. I'm wantedly taking column for foreign key column. Understanding my point? Yes. Constructor will come for only those properties on which at the rate non-null is specified. I don't want to have any constructor parameter for UNID, leave it. So now you focus. User.hbm.xml. That's it. Okay, go to phone number. How to configure that properties are. Property name is equal to UNID. UNID. Column is equal to user ID. User ID. But listen, okay, type length we cannot control. Okay, if you are interested, you can control type. But what is most important thing is you must write insert is equal to false. Update is equal to false. Sir, why should I write that? Array, it's a foreign key column, ra. This is the property pointing to foreign key column. Do you think direct insertion and direct updations will be there? Do you think direct insertion and direct updations will be there? Will not be there. That's why you should have a thought process of writing insert is equal to false, update is equal to false. Everyone convinced with me, guys? You must write insert is equal to false, update is equal. When? While configuring foreign key column. If you take a property for FK column of child table in child entity class, so you must write insert is equal to false, update is equal to false for end user. Insert is equal to false, update is equal to false for end user. Are you getting my point there or not? Are you understanding my statement here or not? One too many test. Okay. Now you observe. I'm trying to this one. If table is not there, it will create a new table. Okay. Nothing will happen. Same tables will come. Same tables will come. But to give the feeling nothing is damaged, I'm doing this. Okay. So go to what? User underscore. User underscore. Oh, fine. We'll get. Say refresh. After that, user underscore info underscore bag. Regular one, guys. Pin it. Next, phone number underscore bag data. Regular, guys. Nothing will happen. So, but it is recommended to configure foreign key column property by having insert is equal to false, update is equal to false. Yeah, that is only knowledge sake I have shown here. Okay, if at all you want to configure what to do, I have to. Right. Array, I don't want to see direct insertion, direct updation to FK column. Not total insertion, total updation. Direct insertion, direct updation from FK column. Fine. It's FK column. Now you should not manually insert. Everything should happen automatically, boss. That's the meaning of that. Right. To use the benefits of list collection type special property. To use the benefits of list collection type special properties. Benefits. Special properties. Okay. Without configuring. Without having the configuration of index column. Without having the configuration of index column, we must go for, we must index column, we must configure that list collection property. By using bag tag. By using what tag, guys? Bag tag. By simply using which tag, guys? Come on, I want reply. By simply using which tag? Bag tag. Bag tag. We can enjoy all other benefits of list collection, but no pressure of configuring index column. I hope you convinced it with me, guys. Right. Okay. Example code. All are same. All are same except mapping in, mappings in user info dot HBM dot XML. User info dot HBM dot XML. Yes, user info dot HBM dot XML. Yes, here is what? No index column. is required. No index column. If you try to place also, it won't take. Let me check. See this. There is no suggestion with li boss. There is no suggestion also. That means here no index column is required. If you place also, it won't take. It's not optional. It's totally not required here. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. No index column is required. There is no need of working with index column. Right. Okay. Next. Taking property for FK column of child or parent DB table is optional. If you take, then configure that property having insert is equal to false and update is equal to false. Insert is equal to false and update is equal to false in the mapping file to avoid direct insertion comma update operations on DB table columns. DB table columns. Yes. In phone number dot HBM.xml. Say paste. Yes, guys. I think you enjoyed today's class. You enjoyed cascading. We discussed how to configure special property through list. Okay, but that time index column is compulsory. Come on here. So index column is compulsory. Then we discussed about what? How to configure same thing without index column with the support of bag tag. Simply with the support of bag tag. I think you got the point now, guys. Right. Okay. So where is this, guys? Shift to yes. Snipper tool. Snipper tool. Okay. Snipper tool. Parent DB table. Parent DB table. Child DB table. Come on. Understood this point? No index column here. That's it, guys. So when we meet in tomorrow's class, we will discuss about map collection and we will see differences between all this stuff. Configuring special property with set map list, and we will see the differences also. Then we will move to many to one association. Then we will move to one bidirectional one to many association. Like this, each association we will see first through XML, then we will go for what? Annotation. Small changes will be there everywhere. But basic concept is this, keeping things in association. Thank you, guys. Yeah, big topic, no doubt in that. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow.